All right. What's up, guys? Hope y'all had a good day of trading. I had a decent day of trading. For those of you that know or have been following me, you know that I've been doing this Apex Trader funding. I've been trying to get an account with these guys, get a paid account, and make some money. And I was on my way there. I had a 50K account. If y'all been following along, actually lost the 50K account, so I was pretty salty about that. But anyway, today I was able to trade again and get three 50K accounts. So right now I'm over the threshold. I had to get 3,000 in profit on each account, and I was able to do that. So I have 3,000 in profit on each of those 50K accounts, and then I think in about 6 days I'll get the certificates, and I should get the actual paid accounts for those 50K evaluation accounts is what they call them. So excited about that. I do want to get into some analysis on Tesla. Our stock has been doing pretty decent. Although it's been moving pretty slow today, we still had a good day. We were up 4.9%, almost 5% on the day. That's a good day. So what we'll do is we'll look at the market first, see kind of where that's going, and then we will get into Tesla and see where I see Tesla going. So make sure you watch to the end. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. If you don't mind, I definitely appreciate that. Helps the channel out a lot. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'm going to go to SPX. Let's go to the market and see what's been happening. I'm on the hour chart. So what we have happening, which is very, very good for us, guys, we have this EMA cross here. We have it crossing twice, which is very interesting to say the least, right? So let me get a tool going. So we cross here, right? This was yesterday. We made a cross down. I'm not going to lie, when I saw the cross down, I was kind of like, oh, man, I think maybe the market might be trending down now. But then shortly thereafter and into today, we were able to cross back again, which is definitely a good sign. Not only that, guys, but you can see we bounced off of this 200 SMA, between yesterday and today, sometime between yesterday and today. We bounced off of it and we shot up, guys. So that is a great sign, and you can see the green candles, and you see, this is some real momentum here, guys. So I think we are getting ready to make another shot at this trend line, and ultimately we are going to make this shot at this area of resistance here. I think I want to move that. I'm going to move this to about here, which is 4,010. So we need to break 4,010 in order for this to really be a reversal of this bear trend. And guys, I'm not going to lie. I feel like we have a decent shot, right? I feel like there is a decent shot of the market actually breaking this this trend line here, this red macro trend line that I've had drawn out for a while, and breaking this actual resistance point or resistance line here at 4,010 roughly, right? We have a good shot. We have momentum going. We'll see what happens. I think, we'll know on Monday. I need to do that. Yeah, I think we'll know on Monday whether or not we were actually successful at breaking through this trend line or not. But I do think if we break through this trend line and we head to this 4,010 area by Monday, I think we definitely have a good shot at breaking through and reversing the trend. One last thing I want to talk about, I went to the daily chart. And as you can see, I've called this out a few times, right? We have this low here. We have this low here. We have a high here. We have a high here. And we have a low, in this area here. And now, as you can see, you have lower highs and higher lows. So what needs to happen now in order for us to reverse? And it's really looking promising. We need to get basically up to this Fibonacci level at 4,200. And I think that's where we're headed. Will we get it? We will find out very soon. I don't know if we will, but there is a good chance we do. One last thing I want to say. As you can see, this yellow, this is the 8 EMA. and this blue line here is the 45 EMA, and you see the 200 SMA, right? It's looking like we want to cross here. We want to cross over that 200 SMA. So guys, we are very close to crossing over that. If we cross over that 200 SMA, there is a huge possibility, especially on the daily chart, there's a huge possibility that we are reversing the trend. Guys, I'm not going to say you heard it here first, but I do think that it is a possibility, and a really good possibility, that we actually reverse the trend. Now, let's get into Tesla. Where do we see Tesla going? I'm going to go back to the hour chart. We're going to take a look at that. All right, guys. So look, what we have, what's happened yesterday and going into today, we made a high Wednesday. We made that high, and then we shot down, right? But if you notice, here's our low here. So we're making a higher, we made a higher low right there, right? So now Tesla is headed, and I do believe that Tesla's headed to this zone here, this 140, anywhere from this 140 all the way to this zone area. I think Tesla's on its way. If the market does in fact reverse the trend, I think, guys, Tesla is going to continue. But I do see more upside. This is pretty quick. I do see more upside. I think Tesla's going to make a higher high above this high right here. So which would put us somewhere in this zone here that we will hit next week. And then after that, it just kind of depends on the market and what happens with the market. If the market tanks, or if the market does reverse and continues the bear trend, then good possibility we will see Tesla drop. One thing that's coming next week is earnings. Earnings next week, I believe, for Tesla on the 25th. So that's going to be a big day. We shall see how that goes. Not sure what to expect, but if earnings go well, we could possibly see Tesla shoot even past this zone all the way back up there. Definitely a possibility. Don't sleep on that, guys. Don't sleep on that happening. If earnings come in bad, we probably can see Tesla come back down. It's definitely a possibility. But guys, I'm gonna be honest. Like, I feel like this is just my feeling. I feel like Tesla is wanting to go up. I feel like the market is wanting to go up. I think with the numbers, CPI numbers that we got a week ago or 2 weeks ago, I think everything is kind of leading to inflation is starting to come down. And so with inflation starting to come down, common sense just says that, okay, the market is going to start going up. Now, the market isn't shooting up, right? We're not shooting up. We're not having like huge days, but I think slowly but surely the market is pushing up. Slowly, Tesla is pushing up. Next thing you know, we'll be back at 170, 180 in no time. And we'll be looking back like, well, how did we get there? So don't sleep on the upside for the market and Tesla. And I'll just kind of leave it right there, guys. Listen, thank you for watching this video. If you made it all the way to this point, man, subscribe. Just subscribe. You need to do that. No, I appreciate it. If you're watching the video, I appreciate the views. Put in the comments, man, if y'all want to hear me do analysis on other stocks, or if y'all want to see content on futures, or even options. Although I'm kind of getting away from options, I'm liking the futures a lot. But if you want to hear some videos, or see some videos on that, just let me know. Let me know what you want me to do. I will gladly read the comments, respond, and yeah, that's gonna be it, guys. So thank y'all again. Till next time. Peace.